AKAM stock is super interesting. In this 1-minute video, I'm showing you my exact play, right? What I'm buying, what I'm not for the next week. And I'm the only guy in this space that's actually done 40,000 videos and documented them all, every single one of them. Look, it's taken me 5 years, so it's not like small work. 5 years of my time. And ultimately, just when I'm looking at AKM, I'm not looking like, say, right to buy. No, you can see them beforehand. I had lines pointing towards the downside. It is, yeah, sure, gonna be a bullish range if I break with a full candle close above 87.91. But if it does not break, then bro, why the heck would I look to sell? See, right? So I'm kind of melting. If I do see it going up and then showing me a shift, then looking to take it down. Other than that, this is going to be all pure noise. Not like nothing is worth forcing, right? And I've learned this lesson the hard way. Years taking me, but if you want to learn how I make it 5 to 10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.